Tamuh on the beat once again. Oh Lord. Some days I'm just tired. Everybody says I'm doing fine, but they never see the tears behind my smile. Vanongoti ndakasimba ndichazvigona, asi avazive hondo dzandiri kurva ndega. Every morning I wear another smile, hiding every scar for just a little while. Hope in my pocket, pain in my soul, trying to stay together when I'm losing control.
Who do I run to when the night's so long? Who holds the one who's always strong?
I'm tired of being strong. Dakaneta,
they do and dakaneta.
Bills on my table, no sleep in my eyes,
still they expect another smile.
I'm tired of carrying it all.
Sometimes I just wanna fall.
Uregai moyo, taurezwa wakaremerwa nazo.
Even strong hearts break sometimes. I see the weight you never show, the silent battles nobody knows. Usazi manikidze kugara wakasimba. Even warriors need a place to breathe. It's okay to cry, it's okay to rest. You don't always have to pass every test. God still sees every hidden tear, and He whispers softly, I'm still here.
I'm tired of being strong.
Yakaneta,
nekungobatsira vamwe. Every prayer feels a little delay.
still I believe you'll make a way.
I'm tired of carrying it all.
Sometimes I just wanna fall.
Kuzorora hakusi kukundwa.
It's healing for the soul.
How many people hide behind a smile?
How many hearts are breaking all the while?
Tino sekasimuka titi chema. Tino famba simoyo wakaneta. If I can be honest just this once, I'm not okay, but I'm still holding on.
I'm tired of being strong,
But I know I won't be alone.
when my strength is finally gone.
Your love will carry me home.
Daganeta,
Asiandingaregi kutenda.
Marindi batei waruoko.
I'm tired of being strong, but tomorrow I'll rise again.
I'm tired,
Dakaneta,
but hope is still alive. One more sunrise,
one more,
prayer,
one more day.